So this is a report for System for Fun TV that we have made. In introduction part, we have explained that what the means, what is the main aim of our design and why do we want it. We are making this design because Media Fund wants to uh, put their stuff online and want their users to see videos and movies, for example, and TV series online, whether they are at their home or outside. So they want a web application kind of like this, and they want us to divide customers in different categories. The ones, for example, there are two categories for the ones who are subscription customers who will pay, and the others who do not pay, they will have to see advertisements in that. And then we have requirements, what we need, and the initial requirements. In the requirements, according to us, quality should be the most important requirement because, and we want the system to be user friendly so that uh, this company, mm, so that this web application would be easier for the customer to use. And then we have some goals and solution and limitations. Our main goal is to make this application to be user friendly, and also we think that they can also buy contents which are not available online, some physical contents, for example books, magazine and all, and they can also buy some movies and TV series if you don't want full subscription. And here we have the structure of the report, that how we have made this report. And then
Use cases. For use cases, we have two actors. It is user and administrator. For user, we have use case registration. That's how user sign up to our system. Uh, Login, it's for users who already registered to sign into our system. Also, we have content purchase and subscription purchase use cases. That's our sales. It's how users buy subscription or content. And also, we have use case two-factor authentication. It is really important because it allows user to save their account. And we have two types of this. And also we have actor administrator. Uh, it has only one use case, user ban. Admin bans user for broke some rules. For example, for using stolen credit card.
we have the domain model, which is the main architecture for this system. In this, we have defined five different types of users, and in which these two subscription customers and single customers, they can either buy the subscription or they can buy the contents whichever they like. And then we have also divided the products into two different types: physical products and online products. These are online products are the ones, the movies and TV series which are available on the application, and the offline physical products are those, for example magazine and books if they want to buy. And then all this billing and payment is done in this media what was in Media Fund server. And and also this warehouse is connected with the order management system. So that's how we have decided to make the infrastructure for this architecture for this.
Internal structure of our system. We use Archimate to show our infrastructure. It allows to users to access for our system with different platforms such as PC browsers, laptops, smartphones,
Good.
tablets, and consoles.
And then we have made a MVC model for our system, in which we it shows that user can send the request to the controller, and then controller further sends the request to the model, and model which is connected to the database. It, for example, a user wants to see any movie or a TV show, so that request will go to the model and there will be response. And then whatever the users want to see, for example, user is using laptop or mobile or tablet or a console, so he can view the content on his screen via controller.
We use UML activity diagram to show how our use cases work in UML. This is use case logging, using content purchase, subscription purchase, authentication, and user proof of concept. It is use design of our system. We decide to use Marvel service to show our UX design because teacher recommended us to use it. Uh, we choose smartphone for as example of our application and show pages sign in, sign up, subscription buying page, and page of main menu.
And then we have project planning and schedule, in which in this we have planned in five different stages. The first stage will be to find the requirements and then design the architecture. This thing, for according to us, it would take approximately 2 to 3 months to do that. Then we plan the user interface, that how it should be, and then start and designing the user interface. After that, we have testing and analyze the product, and then we can launch if it is totally according to the recommended by the client. And we have used kind of agile method because there are reviews or customer feedback or client feedback after every phase. For example, after finding some requirements, we have requirements review, and then after making the design, we have review for that. So I guess that should be really good for our.
We present the easiest and the cheapest way how to develop a system for uh, Fun TV. We paid attention to be user friendly and to information security, so users cannot worry about their data because we offer two options for two-factor authentication. And this is our list of reference. Thank you.